Committee of Wives of Lagos State Officials don call for legislation to encourage women for leadership. Committee of Wives of Lagos State Officials on Thursday call on national and state assemblies make dem pass gender equality legislation wey go guarantee compulsory women leadership plus quick and effective justice delivery to pipo wey dey commit crime and violence against women. For official statement wey dem issue at the end of the 21st Annual National Women's Conference of Committee of Wives of Lagos State Officials wey hold for Eko Hotels and Suites, Victoria Island, Lagos, the committee tok say women must rebrand and care for one another, get strength, perseverance and humility as qualities, and the one wey important kpatakpata na to support and encourage women wey wan dey leadership position. The women con still call on both federal and state lawmakers to consider laws wey go institute policies, procedures, actions and expectations wey go make workers pursue more lives wey balance wey go long way take achieve success. Committee of Wives of Lagos State Officials wey dey under the chairmanship of Lagos State First Lady Dr. Ibijoke Sanwo-Olu describe the family as the bedrock wey pikin suppose discover the first set of values for life. Make families employ intentional parenting and co-parenting dynamics take ensure say the foundation no dey destroyed and children no fit escape outside socializing forces wey dem fit no sabi filter for proper development. The committee called the government to create big operational structures take foster the development of strategic family support. For cancer prevention, Committee of Wives of Lagos State Officials tell the government through the Ministry of Health and other stakeholders make dem constitute policies wey go make screening for cancer and HPV vaccination for the girl child from age 10. For Lagos State First Lady remarks, she tok say the conference wey the team be awake dey designed take bring women to modern opportunities. Dis na the ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una. From Lagos, Osatuame Ogbede.